How to listen Pandora offline. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can listen to Pandora on offline mode. So let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Pandora. After you've opened your Pandora up, just tap on your profile section on the bottom right. And after you're there, tap on the settings icon. After you tap on the settings icon, you will see the offline mode. All you need to do is toggle it on. Now after you toggle that on, or it will automatically get toggled on when you lose your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular data. This is a feature by Pandora and you can use this. After you're on offline mode, you can listen to your downloaded Pandora music or podcasts, and it's that simple, guys. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future